fraught with confusion. One man will break his silence.
Hello, this is Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. And before we get started today, I'd like to remind you, as always, to press that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so that you won't miss out on any of the episodes that we're doing this month on moderating. And with that, let's get started with today's topic. This question has come up quite frequently, and it regards the fact that should I be paid for moderating? And normal circumstances, you should approach it that it is voluntary. When you're on a stream and somebody makes you a moderator, that is a voluntary position. Now, there are some caveats to that. If this is like a large stream or something like that, where there is an audience or a large event or something like that, you may be able to negotiate with the content creator to get paid for it. That is something between you and the content creator. I've also been asked about if I'm moderating for a stream that's kind of a large stream on an ongoing basis. It's a job, and it truly is. It can get very busy. It can take some time to do, some prep work on your part and the time on the stream and all that stuff. So yeah, it can take time. But again, that is something that you need to work out with the content creator. And just because you are made a moderator, if you decide that it's not worth it to you, just as a moderator can remove you as a moderator, or a content creator can remove you as a moderator, you can request to be removed as a moderator. So it goes both ways. It's an equal fence. You may be moderating for a channel and decide this is not for me, or you don't necessarily see eye to eye with the content creator or whatever. May have a different opinion. Ask to be removed. That's totally up to you. So again, should you get paid for moderating? It depends. It depends on the agreement. It depends on what's going on, and it depends on what it's worth to you. If you feel that you have some value and you're providing some value, have a conversation with the content creator. It's going to go one of two ways. They're going to say yes or they're going to say no. But basically, at face value, when you're moderating for a channel, it's a voluntary thing, and it's something that you're doing to give back to the community. Hope that helps you, and we will talk to you tomorrow.